We have some breaking inputs coming in. Arvind Kejriwal says he will respond to Home Minister Amit Shah is going to hold a press conference. Pratibha is getting us more details. Yes.
Swati, after the Home Minister's statement taking on the opposition, the leaders who have been questioning the CAA, Arvind Kejriwal has tweeted regarding the same. Let me just translate that for our viewers. He goes on to say, I had told in a press conference yesterday how the CAA is dangerous for the country and how its implementation will bring in huge number of infiltrators from the neighboring countries across the country. Today, Home Minister Amit Shah has given his statement on that. I will answer them in a press conference today at 12 o'clock. So he is expected to respond to the charge that was leveled by Amit Shah at 12 o'clock. That's a big announcement by the Delhi Chief Minister that he will be responding with a detailed statement at 12.
All right, Pratibha, thank you for getting us the details. Let's go back to Ramay. Ramay, the protests continue. Arvind Kejriwal says he will respond to what the Home Minister said and he'll be holding a press conference for that at around 12.
हमारा उधर जाएंगे हम मेरा देश में रहूंगी मेरी बेटियां हम सम्मान उठाते हैं आहो से थाई रे हजारे डिग्री चक्की करी देश हमारा मुल्क मारे
हाँ सर So the police, Delhi police has now stopped the protesters over here. Barricading has taken place here and all ropes have been put. Huge Delhi police officials' presences over here. Protesters have been stopped from entering the Delhi CM residence, even to go nearby the Delhi CM residence. However, the protesters have now sat on the road and they are sitting. Yet their demands are constant. Their voice is still fierce. The demand remains the same. Arvind Kejriwal, please apologize. So that is what is being constantly stated. Huge banners are here. झूठे केजरीवाल CAA कानून पर भ्रम मत फैलाओ. Everyone has the same words on their lips. That why this lie, why this misinformation is being spread on the Citizenship Amendment Act. We can see all these protesters have started now getting up. They'll be heading towards. However, it has been, Delhi police has blocked the road, completely blocked the roads through ropes, through barricading, and through Delhi police vehicles. They have blocked the road. However, the zeal, the enthusiasm of the protesters does not seem to get any low. Their throats might have become dry. However, they are still shouting. They somehow seek justice. They seek apology from Arvind Kejriwal. Their feelings have been hurt. How come these people are told that these poor people have come from Pakistan? We, the Indians, don't even have any resources for our own people. How would we provide the resources for this? Such statements were given by Arvind Kejriwal yesterday. And in lieu of the statements given, this protest has taken place today. We are around 600-700 meters from Arvind Kejriwal's residence now. And Delhi police has stopped all of these protesters over here. There is huge presence. What's amazing is that in this protest, it is not only the elders, not only the man and the women, but young kids have come. Huge number of young boys, young girls are here if you could see. Even these boys and girls have the same thing on their lips. That Arvind Kejriwal, please apologize. If I would ask some people that what exactly their demand, I would ask these ladies, madam, क्या आपकी क्या मांग है?
हमारा कोड चेक करो हम हिंदू हैं और हिंदू सच्चे हैं हमारे को भारत माता में जगह चाहिए हम मोदी के बंदे हैं हमारा हक चाहिए हमारी बेटियां हैं हम किधर लेके जाएंगे हमारा देश में आए हमारा देश में रहेंगे होली करेंगे दिवाली करेंगे माँ भारत की जयकार करेंगे मोदी मोदी जय श्री राम.
So at one hand, it's a protest against Arvind Kejriwal, while on the other hand, these people are raising slogans in favor of Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They are thanking the Prime Minister for giving them the recognition, for giving them the place in their heart, for giving them the place in this country. But on the other hand,
Right.
huge anger against Arvind Kejriwal. So is it Arvind Kejriwal versus PM Modi for these protesters? No. It is
Right,
for
well,
the
Arvind Kejriwal
self-esteem.
says he'll respond to what the Home Minister said and he'll hold a presser for that at around 12. We'll keep tracking all of that. We are also tracking political reactions on this.